Juror number 6 was kicked off the jury. So today, Friday, the judge in Diddy's case ruled that juror number 6 will be replaced by an alternate because he had inconsistencies in his responses. So during jury selection, there's a process called voiture, like voiture, I guess they say, it was in English, whatever, where the potential jurors are screened, right? So they're asked simple questions like where do you live, with whom, and about your criminal background. So it's important to be truthful and forthcoming. He said he lives in the Bronx with his aunt, his girlfriend, and his daughter, right? Then when they were in the roping room, which is where the jury is held before they go out into the courtroom for the trial, he said to someone in an offhand comment like, oh yeah, I've been living in Jersey, and they were like, wait a minute, right? They're like, something's not right, that's not what you said before, on the paperwork. He said this to a court staff, so they were like, yeah, let's look into this. So then he said, yeah, I've been staying in Jersey with my girlfriend and my daughter. So basically his answers kept changing, right? Either way, Judge Subramanian said it raised concerns about the juror's basic qualifications, the juror's candor, and whether he made a deliberate attempt to get himself onto the jury. Quote, the changing answers and inconsistency give the court worry about deception and lying, which further implicate the veracity of other answers, including to questions that go to the heart of the case, said the judge. Quote, removal of the juror is required in this court's view. Which is understandable because you want someone who can follow simple directions and who's truthful and forthcoming, like I said. They don't need to be told, it's not about the place you live, Jersey or Bronx or whatever. It's about the fact that you weren't truthful and forthcoming, like I said. And you can't follow basic directions. So if you can't follow basic directions in something simple like this, can you really follow directions when the jury has to make a verdict? Yeah. And that's why